This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what the site already exposes, so export sitemap, XML, and a current indexed URL list. Next, run a full site crawl with Screaming Frog or another crawler to capture all internal links. This gives you the canonical graph. Once done, pull server logs for the same date range so you can compare real traffic to crawled URLs. Make sure to normalize URLs and strip tracking parameters before matching lists to avoid false mismatches. Now you reconcile sources. Compare the crawler output against the sitemap and your indexable URL list to spot discrepancies. Then cross-reference server logs, match hits to each crawled URL, and filter for zero-hit pages within your analysis window. Next, isolate pages that appear in crawls or logs but have no inlinks in the internal link graph. These are orphan candidates. While doing this, account for canonical tags and noindex directives so you don't flag intentionally hidden pages. Finally, audit each orphan candidate. Decide if the page deserves links, should be redirected, or must stay noindexed. If it's valuable, add contextual internal links from relevant pages and fix canonical tags so search engines include it. Otherwise, implement 301 redirects or noindex. Once changes deploy, run another crawl and compare server logs to confirm resolution. If things go wrong, check URL normalization, trailing slash differences, and staging environments first. Those usually explain persistent false positives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.